pride, any hand time, and in a killing house of folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come and deal with their supporters. High horse no baby omoteno, high horse hono, baby omoteni brofa kese no mo kind no. Supporters in Tiasie. And you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride, yen kamasem, ukamasem umwadi, yen criticize me, criticize me, what did you matem? That sort of behavior and you come house of folk. What me fa tim kakakati house of folk? Aba any do matemo. What me fa tim kakakati house of folk? Aba yen criticize you. Are you God? That nobody can criticize you. Go criticize us. Criticism. We are raising critique, and it is legitimate.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
So, the first name is Lawrence Atizigi from St. Gallen. Second name is Abdul Nuruddin from KS Open. Then we have Ibrahim Dandat, as we see already. I will continue with Dennis O'Doyle from Club Brugge. Then we have Tariq Lamptey from Brighton & Hove Albion. Then we have Alidou Seydou from Clermont Foot. We have Daniel Amate from Leicester City. Next one is Joseph Edu, Celta Vigo. Alexander Djikou, RC Strasbourg. Mohamed Salisu, FC Southampton. Abdul Rahman Baba, FC Reading. Gideon Menza, AG Auxerre. Andre Ayew, Al-Sadd SC. Thomas Partey, FC Arsenal. Elisha Owusu, Ghent. Salis Abdul Samad, AC Lens. Mohamed Kudus, Ajax Amsterdam. Then we have Daniel Kofi Cherry, SC Freiburg.
Nechesen Rata Anopa Nondu Bakum. The head coach at the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana, Coach Otuato, let me announce in the 26-man squad for Qatar World Cup 2022. Jenko Qatar. Aha, Eyokuma 97.1. Every year, Tenase. A good year, Sema would draw Yari Eba. Titiro and it's Ghana. Yakoko Piemo Kate. Hong Kong Yaba Bedio Fiha. Nasia Cassian Como Bibia on your break 80 and Finifie. Where Jumam. Maybe I will be out here Jumedian and Nasia Cassian confirm out. Secondary producer, the Majumedia, Yera Kofi Anton Buffo. Nana Kofi Okora Jamani, head of sports, producer extraordinaire, Robia Sante, Pasolo Paradise, DJ Don Ziana face on DJ Ayazigi, Omunina Bama Jumedi na Koso Kama. Meso Amiti a John Media, the Kelvin and Ponsa Eddie. O frame Akin so Amejo so yes. But I mean somehow doing a barbershop. You still you be squad in the moon. And we are first one announcement in the by Nipa Kasa. Say a day in your mining station. Yes, GTV Woho, and I say GBC. Now you say a announcement. Official Black Star Squad announcement. Now yet GBC in area copy multi choice. Now yet yes, catch you multi choice. Meanwhile, Ghana Black Stars and Ankasa your manager Padie. And to say Tebruko PM our year GBC Kurana. Kakre Bama and comes between the Chichom, what they are bomb mine obra. na sa nya ne satam de akoma ankra nipa bi akasa de afasa sisai no ho ba squad no so aba and e be player by player players na kodu and prempre ameno kase 25 players na do anasa report to camp Abu Dhabi Abranti and they on to me report ya Abranti and the Joseph Edu but en crime saka hrem sen ton kopim no 9 Abranti and be touch down and so now Abu Dhabi and pay breakfast so players ni didi edidi ho komo coaches and anasa technical team no so the players ni bi din komo yama wakwa ba yenyina man no brenti na yaba yi edidi nkomo ne ade a but my dwan ko bibi so na no pa na me ne John Market di nkomo ne ade a see you see the 26 players na ko mebo a 26 players but mama money akọ your technical team no ho technical team mama money akọ home mo ni padodo a yede ko on a technical aspect and as from the technical team Adrian ko your 21 nipa makomako 21 and forming the technical team as a we no kind of 1 player to 1 technical man nipa 21 from technical team ninyina yeka was which position ba odwene ho anti ase yes here video analyst yes I was match analyst ho match analyst o mienu video analyst de baako your fitness coach yes I so athletic coach yes a fitness and athletic ya de baako match analyst ni video analyst na wantwe video no be analyze no nyina ni pa baako equipment officers ye mienu esi akeka bomai ni bisi basasa ni pa 21 omu nyina beji per diem omu nyina be bo omu ka ebiem onu sa na no dana minister call parliament ko tudwa se team no brana na se combo team no group stage bi on babo 8 million but what dream so minister what be sounds that didn't on for budget em to abontin here se sika se ni yede ko what is the minister because sika se na Ghana yede ko World Cup na ko na ye Black Stars na ko Ghana na ko tienie esan se supporters be ko no man be fa huka journalists bi be ko no man be fa huka empanyifo bi be ko no man na e fa huka bebi ommeda ni ombedi pediam ni nyina man na etua Osha Ghana Premier League obia yase on team bia fa rep mra ni nyina man na e bon huka Division 1 obia fa rep mra Women's League rep ni nyina no ayo man na e bon huka enti bisa on say in total sika sign here the World Cup obibeka si Black Star squad abamunja budget asam na yen focus on the team ani the focus on the team emu ne yese ne fata no no ye ka wasem Black Stars de na abeto say na group stage is 8 million na say me say amani nyina ye ko World Cup sika sign here ko say minister Mustafa you see brana be kirem anya fe ne obese yan kwamra na be bibi calculation one basabia me say minister sika sign on my Ghana here ko World Cup me gasi sika sign na Black Stars de ko World Cup but say Black Stars nkwa na ko World Cup no baba ni abedi san komo no Robbie atna se be too far kwa manane sam kakra ho o de beba amani bi attach down e wa yakata me musa France attach it down yes France attach it down Senegal and Chombe touch it down Senegal da so na wiem and Chombe touch it down Ghana de akodu Saka Brante Joseph Edu 25 players no report Why no so ne and then you use 1.5 million angels maybe a boy room or kata report in beba they say Black Stars in your monitor funny a crowd top form Black Star camp ya beba ya betting so join me live on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 YouTube see Okuman Radio 97.1 wait machine live oh wajin chen fabra Crop ya tena say straight up me kwado hona me mana kwaba crop ya bibia kama
e ka ba dia down ma bibia e fine bibia e kama papa se papa bonio yem fasida e ma no ntinu ye won kwan ye wan hoden kwan de e pese ye wa asase su bia de I think say ye betumi aye amanioma konkan ni femu de wa ye aka nipa de wo hwe Black Stars kwan a penifo fa so ye selection bi collapse ne sa nioma ni nyina nyame de wa wo be kono no nimo bi bia World Cup yi scored no betumi make onimo bi biara. And even as of today until Sunday aye be kiki off no some of the players will make it to the World Cup. We be prima will be returning back home.
Yes, your friendly game.
Nyoma bebre other teams ni nyina bo friendlies shots in there or china ko nyina bebre bo and we are den to me say no. Oh yes, there say day. Okay, we are den to me say obi so no 1 minute per on obebo World Cup na say we are den 1 minute. Obi so mbobi. Aha, ntino nyame de why ne die wi aka nipa nzere ha nyame ontumi enyem bribia sa wa no wa ye honhum ni bribia wa ye wi aka nipa se nipa be ye ni oma ewie ne fede na nka ni nua nipa nso ho ahenhan ne kakra bat okay onipa ya ye wi onipa na so ya force ya bre aye de to so ye
nanka nipa da se ya tena sisi we cheska so still comedy enti I want chira won yes kana ya twa ya ntwa na ya nchicha ma ya wona obi aso mo
nipa na cheska but
so ni nipa niska enye ni nyankopon na cheska nipa na ya machine paper print sika cheska still nipa mo chira
yes no
so bibia kama
bibia e fine na
issue.
Yeah. An issue no simple. Say about World Cup no. Until seminar no ya be share no World Cup diaries no sendra due to squad announcement no. Na was say you focus on no more until na ye be boy room. I think say Saturday ye be to me the ye be wrap up na ye do na to me aba. Na Saturday ya prepare chikra ba say we are far behind time. Intino ye be hwe na ekiye hu se ne be intino ye nkombra na efe ye mehwe kakre ho.
All right.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? Gio. ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy.
Right, ebumo bi bia ha area about command 97.1 ebredu se de amona ne nsemo a yaboabua no ewo dwumedi ya tunidin o command global sports so no enso e ba betan etifo ene ya hwefo na nakofi okore ajman ek ene no DJ Zigibi wo munyina ebo ama dwumedi ne so no etumi aye kamansem ni nyina wo mo etumi aboabua ekuru nche de egu krata so se menko no kwanten kro na memfa manfo krosu nsem no emfa betan etifo ne ya hwefo uhwemu all the social media platforms a dwumedi ne so no Chegu especially on Facebook and so any YouTube no Facebook no your command radio 97.1 sanso na YouTube so your command radio 971 na ni oman so to me akonkan umia share na ene ya foforo so a wo mo diaspora and wo mo bebi afana nyina and so to me joy show no na ni oman so no etumi akonkan ye pictorial presentation evidence based stories na ye de banti visuals no any other footage nyina and so be Chegu social media platforms so command radio 97.1 Facebook ni YouTube na nyoma so yetumi akonkan se radio no enye da first no television kwa ana obetumi a visuals na ene what story na si yesese no ye de aba radio so no aba be audio visual eyi no wutie o san so 27 se waso nye kra wudi weni hwa obetumi at story na se waso so nya na wudi weni hwa na konkan wudi weni so enya na wudi waso yetie na nyoma so yetumi akonkan ye balance na jese bibia no so ye kama hono mo na ye bewremu a na Richnest Hotel wo mo se bra ene wutukwan upe bebia da ubepiem wekuapem hapa dia mountains de Richnest Hotel Eastern region nyina eno na eje ne homenan wa hanom na ubepiem a services a ene wo mutumi offer no eno so ebi na didi so wo mo executive rooms se bebia obeda ho bejo form aha no executive a che se dibre no eso dibre no eso womo nso esan wo twin rooms ehɔ na AK bribia otada twin rooms ehɔ na oda because ne nko enda da na nsɛm ho standard rooms ehɔ economy rooms so what I say yen de yeta fruit plane ade de yet economy rooms as papa economy because masa uskane mfa na undu sa stage ni ya ebe din say business ubetuma akwa ho nti yen the economy no ehwa na ya yeta nti economy rooms nso ehɔ swimming pool eni uba beda usori a edu baby owia no unse ha no ekuapem ha no mountains no esujo but edu baby a sene a climate no say change nti owia tumi bo na utipayo eno sa no to ho to pool yi mu a na unso we tumi bia na enioma so etumi ai kama wo mo conference room so kakra meeting awodo ada enenu conferences a ubetumi aye ni nyina uba bepiem original hotel room kase o hopa eno nso no ubetumi enjoy ama mudwumedie no etumi aye kama na enu echi no restaurant e ho ubeda ubesore ubeguare ubeye meeting ubekọ ejuma ubeye bibia ubedidi edididi untumi nyimfrim na obedidi a eye Reginest wo so restaurant a ni nyina no ehyem ama bibia tumi aye kama udidi wo aye bibia ho asem bi ba eye ho no mo a na bibia tumi aye kama ubetumi afre wo mo ewo ahomatrufo esi no wo mo edi nkomo edukrom ekuapem na wo mbutu 0503 337788 0503 337788 anase 02443 33373 02443 33373 na wonso woni Reginest Hotel no etumi edi nkomo Reginest Hotel osi home with nature sansono ana yepiemu ewo ahanomo a Adum live band womo so etonsa edia fro se ne dwumedi awodo awudi bia se ene ope band a womo betumi etwa wonwom ama dwumedi no so no ase etumi aye kama ya Adum live band ana mekanfo edia ma se dwumedi awodo na ana ne request for band yana no mpanifo se kura de youth ni nyina no ye ni gi band no pa nti ubehu Shatawale Stone Boy no mo nyina perform se wo stage so a edube bia na band no ekoso a na womo de wanu ni nemu Angela no na ekoso na bibia tumi ay come funerals, weddings, parties, other ceremonial event nyina no otonsa de frɛ Adum live band a wo mo be ba be bo nyom abehu nyom adwumedi no enso etumi aye super exciting na bibia no etumi aye kama ikropon ekuyapem ya ye diem ana wo mo butu ama nyom etumi akonka obetumi afrɛ mpanifo no ho agyenchirim dodo na enso etumi ene wo mo akasa 0242 267538 0242 267538 na so ne Adum live band enso etumi akasa na ma odwumedi no enso aye super horom ye behwemu na eni no ya hwensem ba ko mienu a eno so etwegu Europe na wonu se team aye frɛ no Argentina, the Seleção of Argentina national team no wonu so etumi start training enei ama nuoma so no konka ma bibia etumi aye kama branch ye frɛ no Angel Fabian Di Maria enso eguso a wonu se branch no ho hye dan to no kakra nti ono no guso a intensive training there on hye da enchance ni mo Argentina hwe nim sa branch no betumi aye fully fit ahead of one first crunch game a womu betumi abo a week or two time na nyoma so etumi akonkan ede ama nti ube se Lionel Andre Messi womu nyina enso enjoy ama nyoma so no etumi akonkan na World Cup ni mu a ana FIFA president ora ye frɛ no Gianni Infantino enso de aba betu gwa se Russia Vladimir Putin ene Ukraine nyoma ekoso no sesei ye bekɔ World Cup oso po bibia akyɛw opa wo mo kyɛw pa wo mo seize fire womo NCZ fire na nya de World Cup no koso na efedi nyoma bi echire basa debida enti enei no two countries nyina mo ntumi akwanko pie mu enso ewo Qatar womo kyem se echire no mo mechire nye din asumdwe nso no entumi embra fie na nei womo a womo so epie mu ewo no enwoma enso enkonkan na Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro endra woni mu se me boni voice bi na yebekɔ na yakwa kotie nsɛm a opani no etumi akasa o kyesema post say Alex Ferguson after say ono so edi na dwumedi to ho as coach and as a manager edema Manchester United da ono so retire kra no United team no apura tete apansa manuoma asei oni owura PS Morgan ana ne wo ko disa inkomodwetwe ndra ye bo ba ko ekire wa bra osusu se Manchester City etumi betray no a team a no hwe nim san ko be ko Manchester City sama na ene yo hwe ni maso man you wa boda na mpanifo convince na no buy na treatment a wo de ma no e chese wo mpanifo etumi abitray no nemmom no o hwe ni se ni o ma betumi akonkan yenkotie nsem a ene Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro enso etumi ekeka bi ye ba na ya beto aso odwumedi awodo na eno so eto aso Erik ten Hag enso etumi akasa before then yentie Cristiano Ronaldo.
What's going on, but since the Sir Alex Ferguson left, I saw not evolution in the club. The progress was zero. For example, you have an interesting point that how the club as Manchester United, after suck Ole, they bring sport directive Ralf Rangnick, which is something that nobody understands. This guy is not even a coach. A bigger club like Manchester United bring sport directive, surprised not only me but all the world. You know, nothing changed. Surprisingly, not only the pool, the jacuzzi, even the gym, even some points, the technology, the kitchen, the chefs, which is I appreciate, lovely persons. They stop in a time which is it surprised me a lot. I thought I will see different things, different, as I mentioned before, technology, infrastructure. But unfortunately, we see many things that I'm used to see when I was 20, 21, 23. So surprised me a lot.
Yes, and ensema Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro enso edi nsem no dodora tutuga se nioma protete apansam e Manchester United masa uremu a wo mo kitchen wo mo bibia chese bibia ni wa efa modernization bibia technology wise masa wo mo ye zero club no nioma bia nkonkan e wo horom no no kra no hwenim se sa nioma no hu bi no back to over 21 years 22 bi no hu na sese ne de bibia football edu pa na wo hye dia Manchester United egusuru ane wo football ne dia time pa eno ne nsema openi no enso etumi edua tugwa horom na Erik ten Hag endo ne se Manchester United enso eti letter ba bonten a wo mo so contemi in the interviewer Cristiano Ronaldo ekoye ene nsema waka wo mo chizu so ode egu club ne hu fi enho nsem ebai enu wie yi mu a hot meeting ekoso Papa your friend Erik ten Hag manager de my team no ebetumi atene mu bi Sir Alex Ferguson Glazers no wo mu nyina ekwa akotirim any other legendary players wo mu ekwa akotirim no won ahwese de Ronaldo asem no wo mu so betumi akona fa ba ntie ba any said de anioma akono anhwe yi a ye wie World Cup na openi no January de ebeyedin but uko FIFA mbrani mu a asema openi nso etumi aka no Manchester United enso e wo ho kwan se wo mbotumi agina FIFA rules so enso etumi de terminate openi ni contract eno nso eni kakra eno nso e free wo eba yede ehon nsem ni nyina enso e de eba Owura your friend Harry Kane captain the matter Three Lions of England wo makwa ko piemu enso e wo Qatar preparations ni ade eguso a enenu ekoso wo mo hwe nim say this time round it's coming home no wo mo the trophy no enso ebetumi e de aba the 22nd edition of the FIFA World Cup no ebetumi aba na wo mo so etumi awini the last time wo mo wini no back in 1966 na che say nei wo mo abre papa into wo mo hwe nim 2018 Russia na wo mo hwe nim say wo betumi age the golden generation sa team no still wo mo maintain se krade golden boys ne mo na etumi aba be count the likes of Phil Foden no mo enso e ho no mo a wo ma aba be count golden boys mo abe ade have to experience golden team enti na chese wo mo hwenim se nyoma betumi akonkan Harry Kane enti yesu me e share ne thought wo mo hopes a wo mo ko e wo Russia no nyoma wo mo expect ene dia wo mo hwenim se trophy no kan ne kan e wo se be piemu e wo England Prince Charles enso ehia World Cup trophy.
We have to believe we can win it. I think I look back at England 10, 15 years ago, it's almost we were scared to say we wanted to win it. And I think one of the big shifts that we've made over the last 4 or 5 years with Gareth is not being afraid to say that, look, we're going to this tournament to win it because we believe we can. It would be wrong to think otherwise. What's the point of going to a World Cup and not believing that you can bring the trophy home? It's going to be tough and we're going to have to work extremely hard. We're going to have a little bit of luck. We're going to have a lot of things go our way to achieve that. But yeah, I think it's important not to be afraid to say that that's what we're going to do.
A unique Accra captain Harry Kane and say to me the Tuga I say no 3 Lions one more him say one to me work hard na trophy so one more to me diaba Eriksen Christian Eriksen Dennis and I said Denmark one more player ono so esi akan dem the Danish national team no na no okupra kakra Euro say to me etodwa 2020 no openi no to me kopra kakra na your side work on chain kakra qualify si nyina when to me ambobi ama no men to me anhye dan konkan dodo na but hwenim say after say we to me returning abebo Tottenham kakra akoni na emu a say Manchester United United no di nkwe masa otumi wurane 90 minutes extra time 120 ne nyino otumi bontu ohwe nim na ni jesem sese no wasan return back a odwane ne national team na wo mokwa kopie mu e wo mundial na ase in Qatar.
Having a chance to be at the World Cup and then take the time that's happened in between has been really amazing to be available for that much time and playing where I've been playing, and then getting the option now to play the World Cup is just special.
Excellent player Edma Denmark national team no ano no so no e board ne na situ okeka nsem ni bia se World Cup ide wo mo so ebetumi akọ na wo mo etumi asan so akọje e ho Adom live band ana ene no wo mo so ya sen ma ya diamono ne nsem kakra yetumi ebobu ano no so no enso e de e ba yesan so ana Regenest Hotel enso etumi ekura yemu eje yen tata e bon etidom e de ahoden ni nyina no etumi e kan ye ho ma ya diamono ne nsem kakra yetumi abobu ano no so no etumi e de ba mejemu diama AK the boss player na ene media audio ni nyina enso etumi ato aso na kai se ene ye the World Cup diary no enso ebetumi aba group C ana ene no ye the eba ye behwe teams no awodo na ye behwe Denmark ye behwe France na ene no ya hwehwe Australia we ni teams ane no ye betumi ahwe kakra team jemu diama AK na media audio ni nyina enso etumi ato aso.
All right, into no crop ya sante ana manane sem kakra wono ano so no etumi abonitewa ori amaye no kan ketsi Adom live band sounds so na Regenest Hotel omunyina kuremu a yeso no amanane sem no yetumi ereba ba meka say Kojak Oracle Pro Code eso ekura emu ene awie a nsem awodo ni nyina yere ba say ohia toothpaste de choose ya Kojak Charcoal toothpaste ana fin no Kojak Charcoal toothbrush ni nyina no onya bi na de choose ya abeboa ama sena ne no kaka hawo no ana say sena hodi nim no eno so no etumi amano ejina ne nan so sound so na Kojak fluoride sensitive toothpaste eno so apa eno so no num kankan ene sena ahye no eboa eyifi ho ama ene no eseno enso etumi pai efita kama ama bibia so no etumi atotan nan so ora anase Pro Code no so ho wa code uti ayo ya unya bia eno so beboa ama uti no etumi akọ mpanyifo na se ayi esikafo ndom so flu it is a flu achi boa unya bi no ma enso be ye edi afiri ho Ediema Koja Pharmacy uburem or kanshi drug lane and kind unsa ebeka bi chemical na fuse herbal shop awudu nyina no unsa beka Kojak Oracle and afuse no Pro Code no ebi Quick Credit and Micro Investment Credit Limited se men kan say eni brana beje bosia abrabana ye bono wanye adwuma bi anya waso be hye inteni no beje bosia na afuse no fashe adwumadie ase ana wo ye adwuma ne kofo ubese otrem ana se ne ubese ohye kanana adwuma ne gina na so dia uba Quick Credit nso no ebama sika no na nso otumi e de du dwuma ne nyansa baba na ye Ghana ni na akra Ghana card nsa ebeka sika no tie enhyehyɛ kakra ho ne nyina ne se bosia na nye 24 hours ezanze oba ye ne wotenase ayenhyehyɛ ya kyerɛkyerɛ uniama mu na wate ase ye ansana sika no yenso no yetumi e de ama ade ba ko ho se Quick Credit se internet kwa bia hwɛ na enenso bi internet so de ya de a omoma bosia bia enso no ewo internet no so ntie ne woni na internet no bi se oye adwuma ewo Quick Credit oma bosia de a enya de a enso no etisa fra Quick Credit 0302 200 390 0302 200 390 and 0596 920 833 02 and 0596 920 833. You try one but your pa World Cup diaries no and so no ye de beto muso. Okay. I'm say you know yeah but still na try one but na fin so no ya be ye na say bibia so no etimi ai kama ntino kwa bia say you know ai crowd na you ni can fa we mbra World Cup diaries no mbra na say bibia so no o say
Black Star ana yakoba ene wo mwe didi ni ade a say Ziggy woni amani nyina wo kono dia
say Ziggy ubanya fa ai pictures ni gusto abra na Black Stars you know didi na amanfo ehun senia etie badam okay o de answer na no yenkomra
wo fa ha
6435565 restaurant bars ankra sambre mu pesa mu boy chidom akonya wo homa mu se mu be frɛ ne enu madi nsawoso yenko kata 2022 ewo Okuman 97.1 radio
Okuman yenko kata World Cup 2022 ene yenhia
Yanko kata dwumadie no yene unyina ene ekwante no dwumako ankrankran na team ya restaurant pub and as any bar na pese live commentary World Cup yem fambra no so oni mpanyifo nchiana ndi nkomo na afin so no yentutu niama kama oba Okuman front exam mpanyifo enso bi sha na afin so no wadi nkomo sanso na sponsorship hold on companies no mombra na afin yenyina no yenko kata na yemfa live commentary and so embro crop ya ha World Cup diaries ono so no eri Abraham.
Well, okay, betcha obibia bio na yam obibia very good afternoon. I think say na yebe room kakra na yakohwe group D no. Yakohwe group D nsemo koso ewo honom kakra na yaba
over 5 minutes.
Yebe wie we di sharp kra na because Saturday ya the morning ebetumi ediaba na Tima odi kind no was a group you my group D no 4 teams you know wamunyina enie France national team ene Tunisia ene Australia ana FA inso no Denmark ana ene yeba beka omo asem na team odi kind ba beka no asem no the France national football team no ha equip the football the France ho ana ne yeba be hwe omo nsem no kakra na yebehwe wo badge no ene da ho no anase crest no ene da ho kama ubeuze 2 stars bi ebo wo mapampem e ho no mo kire se ene 2 stars ne kire se wo matumi wini World Cup no in premier nu so wo mo wini World Cup no in premier nu so a ene o man so no ekọ ho nti France wo mo national football team no ekọ akopie mu wo kata ne ade no dwene wo Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 sanso na YouTube no Okuman Radio 97.1 we say footages no ene pictures ni nyina enso etwegu ho nti no France wo mo national team no crest no ane da so kama nickname no le bleu na say the blues me Chelsea the blues into na all blue eno no enso ene wo mo nickname a wo mo nso ekurikura association no Fédération Française du Football FFF and also any one association name wo de confederation wo so wase no confederation wo wase no enso UEFA na say Europe ana wo so free Europe ana wo free hono head coach odi wo ko no former World Cup winner as a player and as a manager papa your friend Didier Deschamps or no any head coach and so Dema France 2018 the last edition and sana ye bwremo 2022 yi Russia no womu ne tumi LFT trophy no womu ni Croatia womu bon 4 goals to 2 ana womu so tumi LFT womu second World Cup womu so the captain Hugo Lloris osina kan and so Dema Tottenham Hotspur goalkeeper and so Dema hono ye captain Olidi enenu contingent na say team no ana delegation no ama ni o man so tumi akonkan wakata diama most caps player we see a kind of dopa and so diama France national team no the legendary Lilian Thuram 142 appearances and to me emeki Edema Le Bleu of France ama ni o metumi akonkan top scorer and so any all time top scorer Thierry Henry legend captain and so Edema Arsenal the Ghana's former ono and so and ono 51 goals and wetumi ache na Abrantia ene ye friend Olivier Giroud okonya 3 goals masa wadi bribia nu nsom na kire say legendary status openi friend Thierry Henry ekura e France national team no odi nu nsom ama ne o matumi akonkan aye kamanti na kire say eba no France ne dia Olivier Giroud ba kopɛ no obibia ni wo home stadium Stade de France ho ana Real Madrid ko chiri team a your friend Liverpool kapel Vinicius Junior wo mo ade age wo mo 14th UEFA Champions League title wo mo de ko inti no so eno no Stade de France any home FIFA code FRA fra anti France I fra and also no wo ma ho no blue white blue and white and white and blue and also wo second shirt current seat fourth and wo so city of FIFA ranking so highest wo matumi place first May 2001 May 2002 and August September 2018 wo mo place first ho no man yo my konkan lowest wo matumi city of FIFA ranking so September 2010 wo mo place 26 and wo so etumi die wo Coca-Cola FIFA ranking so first international game wa mo boy 1904 no Belgium 3 France 3 ekoso Belgium and so uncle na koi uncle na game no etumi ekoso biggest winner wo mo etumi nya France 11 Greece 0 that is June 26 1919 and etumi eba so biggest defeat say team bi actually France asha wo mu ye pa no mada akata meni kura mehu Denmark upe teams a France wo mu history upe team a national team a ha wo mu pa Denmark national team no ukaya World Cup qualification ya wo mu bomb back to back wo mu asan akopie mu World Cup group mu abie ebedin Denmark 17 France 1 and etumi ekoso hono landing stadium wo England and as a game no etumi ekoso World Cup no appearances no wo etumi akọ 16 out of 22 16 wo mo modern bono etumi aso ni first in 1930 just a maiden edition wo mutumi kobi best results wo mutumi ayade pa World Cup as no mienu 1998 winners 2018 winners ana wo monso etumi edekoi ene ne kakra ye de France nso no wo monso abakwase monso etumi aba yebehwemu Denmark yebehwemu Denmark aso ye Denmark men's national team ene ni wo mudin udi hwemu a Danish kasa mu no Denmark here for no masa adena no odin o anodin bobo pa we de wo mo ane betumi abo ama ne o metumi akonkan nickname ni say nete the red and white wo mu din anu no the red and white wo mo so nickname no eno so anu nti wo be say badge no ana say crest no eno so a display Facebook Command Radio 97.1 YouTube so Command Radio 97.1 Denmark wo mo badge no wo be say a display ama ne o man so etumi akonkan 1889 wo mo ba football match papa enye mo amoye 1919 funo 18 and they know 89 ana wo mutum by association no and so story ading no mebo association no Dance Bospel Union Dance Bospel Union DBU in short and also no confederation one more Europe and no UEFA say ana wo so head coach Kasper Jumat ono so eneno Dennis ana ono so de wo mo connect as a locally based manager wo mo nkofa akru bia so manager amfane nkoye captain Simon Kaye osina kan de ma AC Milan Italy ono ne wo mo captain o de wo mo ko Moscow's player we see a candidate pa enso de ama wo mo no Peter Schmeichel obekaya former Leicester City wo mo goalkeeper Kasper Schmeichel ne papa any Peter Schmeichel ono 129 appearance na wetumi meki ama nyoma konkan all time top scorers no say na tie mienu Paul Tist Nelson and John Dow Thomason womo 52 goals and womo nyina tumi record the home stadium Parking Stadium eno ye Copenhagen for stadium no Parking Stadium womo FIFA code DEN den na chese match papa womo ahofasuo no first colors no all red top shorts any womu host nyina all red second all white ana any third no all black and also any kakra hono currency te FIFA ranking 10th ana womu so eda hono mo highest womu etumi akọ on the third position 1997 and 1997 okay into 97 ni mu a May any August nyina rankings ne by no na womu na ne no womu eda third position and womu konkan lowest womu etumi akọ April 2017 51 any position a womu so etumi die first international game Denmark 9 France B na France womu youth side na womu boy France B 1908 and to me so Denmark 9 France B into me antimu ajay biggest winner womu to me nya Denmark 17 and revert and so France and so biggest defeat no and France and so 1 ho to me konkan Germany 8 Denmark 0 biggest defeater Denmark to me nya womu football history and so no losing 8-0 to Germany and to me konkan World Cup womu to me 6 out of 22 year kono first in 1986 ana wo mu etumi epie mu highest and say se won abɔ modern pa wo mo ne Ghana difference bi anim Denmark on say Ghana wo hwim bi anu an say World Cup no wa 6 Ghana eko 4 enu anu no 1998 ana wo mu ebo quarter finals ma nyom etumi ekɔ nkan kakra bibia nso no etumi eye kama ntini yebakti na eni no mejemu diama eke na dwumedie no nso no kakra na etumi ato aso.
All right, and World Cup diaries and then Krabia RFI Le Bleu of France and I think so Denmark national team anymore when some of na about okay I want to na trivia questions in do so e bizana wa ba ye bizana say Federation Bank and Association Bank and Denmark join Federation Bank wa just say Denmark Football Federation and Association from saying twa association ba nzini nyina no sha no say brepam question and answers ebeba winia ya chawade na nso na ko ni nyina no Okuman yenko kata 2022 no dwumadi ni bi enso eno na abegya fortuna se Pasolo Paradise sanso na senior on duty wa crop ya sante obunya tena se but on Facebook obetuma join in on Okuman Radio 97.1 Starboy the about say watching the show live and clear at Afumim Airport. Champion Kelvin more fire. Congratulations to both Danlad Ibrahim and a 3-year ban for making into the final squad of the Black Stars team. Greetings to Yasma Ibobo at Texas man. And also Nadia Basansona. Abuajino because watching the show this afternoon from Ekwapeme Cropon Council. O level, no, it's O level there no so show on the live. Cropon and also Nadia. For messages, if I bribe pem, it be a phone line so somehow. Now to me, Alfred Eddie Abba. Team now could do. As you go there, now the breakfast you need to do so. 25 players now so far. My report to a camp. One player, Joseph Feidu, by 4 o'clock, no, a Branson bet touchdown. Oh yeah, Abu Dhabi. Pa, my Mr. Same free so far. Team no, I could do camp. Niama or observe on the team so far. Players I need no, I'm to my report to a camp. Any issues are a boba. You really never share. Minister no so, I don't know what some. As now, budget to World Cup in my. Mine no, my.
Also, muko dia bansa no abechiro.
Dia za abechiro.
You be can wasam.
You be can wasam. I'm out 7 minutes now. Okay.
And I'm that's yenchia etiefu ayetie wie wo Okuman Radio na Facebook nso mo hye no. Ewie nchia kese em confirm obi bia. Na yenko so nka nchiro mo so mo follow yen. Oh, social media no so na program no so omuntini ye baye nti omuna nta yechi Black Stars players na sha say ababedu camp and aka branti and the Joseph Edupe and obaba count na say 25 players and akwa kodu eye Dubai a omuna egu so ya husiesie and so to me Ediama Black Stars atwen when Thursday Ghana friendly game I bebo against Switzerland and Sana Mundi and Ankasa yakwa kodu onom te say ye den ara players amo kono an ya from amo koi tini ye an say ye be wish omo well so omo kono opre bi nkonkoba omo yanya aton sa from no obi a ho nkonkoto chima na omu na bekwa kodu kata asumdwe mu na fe ye first game against Portugal ye benya players amodin wo ho na omo so betumi aginam enso abo mo modern asamba ko a me kan fatim no enen coach Otoado squad a omo bebo against Switzerland no anye bia no 80% ena ombe start against Portugal and I say ombe starting 11 ewo kata jumedienem and Otoado after Nigeria 2 games are boy any games are waboni na ebesi ne yen share den hu ne nsanu adwuma of Black Stars team no so ye eni na ye nim sanka ye kobo Brazil no obetuma ye bibi anko yie Brazil for share yen obi e kan say opponent e koshia no emu ye den enti no wa share yen against Nicaragua ye na ye nim say Nicaragua eba no footballer ye kan wo mo nkan ho ye kan nations eba no football ye bubu din a Nicaragua onka ho even continent na wo no kura no ye kan na fa nka ho bi eta ko bi eni mu se senia ye share Brazil na Brazil for ball ye esan share ye no anka against Nicaragua yebehu bibi se coach Otoado ebe hye formation ye obe hye players ni ye yebehu players no so determination e wo team nim but ankoba ne sa yebebo against Switzerland Thursday oma ye hu bibi because Ghana fo benye gidie e wo team nim a eja Thursday game na yebebo no so and Ghana for benye gidie a support Black Stars say yebe share Portugal yebe tumi ahye no yebe share Uruguay yebe hye no yebe share South Korea yebe hye no anye bia no yebe nya respectable point bia yebe tumi qualify em e dey free your group no me dey akọ the next stage eno ni ade a ye expect coach Otoado say wonye because me ameti me minimum say Otoado nye coach a even Kotoko had to folk ebe fa no so omran be coach Kotoko nkofa Otoado has nkofa Otoado so omran be coach omutim coach a waya part-time coach and even baby o ye adwuma no kra no onye adwuma as a head coach as an assistant coach bi wo na mo no ye scouting trainer Dortmund players no ho kan na ye de na ma no almost scout player bi no mkofa ne ba na ye de na ma so on training no obi bo shot na nko ye no mu sa ne shot abo ne bo abafamu a ne de ama no say training no na ne shot bo enko soro e na Ghana yakofa ne de no ko World Cup en adwuma na wo ye no ye nse de hu ne nsa no adwuma e wo team no so ye en na ye strikers a ye de omo bo nyina no ye mo ye waste e wo games ahoro a ye bonim for example Nicaragua game a ye bo ye no obi ni mo kura no eno Emma asamweja no mu na be kasaye e de fa ho because Inaki Williams to me ye move na Kudus ekitabo a won wo se ni the striker ye move ko was or passing ball ne de man no na afi no ogira ball no so etwetwe sa control no ne ye pese coach Otoado enya e wo team no so we head coach et Jose Mourinho be coach team on fa wo se wo ye Paul Pogba United atisika kese akwa foul unya ni e wo se wo ya anase ni e wo se wo ya no wonya onu benya case onu benya asam enu bi ni pese coach Otoado wenya e wo Black Stars team nim se Thomas Tepate ena position a wode ne bo no enko yie anase ru a wode man no on perform a e wo se wotumi ka bibi on fa ni nansi fam na wo ma ne tactics ni nya dwuma because tournament na ye kono nana eye tactics ni coaches na kwa show tactics and Ghana so na kita West coach e wo tournament na ase enti so onu egitum so wo betumi aye adwuma no na so wo gitum so wo betumi prove Ghanaians wrong. This is the time against Switzerland one chance e fanfru honom you say Switzerland your country be about the football no almost yard but Ghana so you sure no yetumi emitu am boot for boot yetumi sure and even results no crowd there game no results put the fair answer but the formation the tactics how a team ne be performing and then you expect it the players now what to start from no na was so afra wom and no no sister players no and they betumi aboa e wo mundi anase eti wato nsa from a waska to players ni yiye eni mo bia bia wo betumi agina perform the aba nation no eti won make sure say ne nsa no adwuma no ebe deedi e wetim no so eno pe say ye adwuma na say ko ye adwuma o kata Ghana fo be support na Ghana fo be nya gidie e wetim nim.
Okay, I know Pastor Paradise ono so na jincha eni no de aba area fatim no abrani no makwa kodu cut off on first training no ometimi chassis omo training anche zigiri batu so na manfo hu zigi mereba na also first training senior team na kodu nti no awakodu anope breakfast akoso manfo di brodo ni ade ara na se mi ana meka che kro bia ni pastor ze look how cool professional different o share video ni ya nzena ba na ne dan la nkwane na
oh baby
I seen mami too now you there I seen mami too team na touch down oh yeah Abu Dhabi training normal started training there monitor so far
ebechi etf yina na answer na meko ma asem so nchi yankoma Millicent opamade wo school for the blind udu hono ma
what are Millicent opamade pa
say ku ni wo Millicent jamia ho ni wo Millicent yeah ni wo Millicent agbo nso wo di mi say agbo na meka ne ho asem yi wo school for the blind wo yina go tie ntino nchi ya enkoma won yeah na ege sene ye ka no ya de ni yie mu ane ye pe ye kasa yin na nya hwe because winning bonus ye nye bi ne ye kwaso bi ani wa be jebi wo mu but yen ne me ne ye gya ne se ye be hwe ball na otiachi na o ma commentary na wo ye analysis un se no o feel comfortable wani je ye pon a wo si abonten a wo se obi are kasa afa team ne ho ene ye pe ye mpe kokoasa ne ma bia ewo eye kata because niya afaye ne so no e wo Brazil no ye bese bibia wa kosi biem eni ti na ma ye ni abere bebre ya kasa saa na nya hwe but wo hwe say na pass local no coach no influence e wo boys ne so wo hwe Ghana ye problem ye wore wo saa de no coach saa ye ta pa woni na ye coach saa wo ba won action and won ye ma wo ye no aya na mu ya because ye feel say wo hwe Nigeria match ye bo wie na supporters ni bebre ya na say nipa ehwe boss ni nyina say Chris Wilton ano na ye ditimele wi ni Nigeria ball no however na otu adu nso na ye coach so am go what as yeah na depend na ka say Chris Wilton wo hwe taka change e ba mu and the way ya kwa ni wo say no advisor no ye adwuma ni nyina as a coach ni wa ye hwe but ye be say ye le koi coach no de ne din abetuga say na ye kan ye be say is he want touch down BBB was so ye bia as a coach baba nya good results yam first match me so yam ayen say na pass ro kan yam match ye ne Switzerland bebo no eke ye me see yam first level no the best start first level no one best start because me sure say baby ye do no ye bo ya wo de wi say your match be bebo bi because we san kwa try player bufulu bi abim because ye me say yam last match ye boy ye try matches no atwam baby ye do ye final match ye body ye 11 the final the Portugal the be she anti me just say that day no ya woda no coach Otuado me ye hu bidibi then ti ya ka say say for now Samu Ajan retire or national no and I yan retire no national no it is any retire no national and I say we Suarez go wake up and ti any retire this wa brain John Kwatenase nti watenase enti no Vitaku retire no you nya striker papa bia bia mu ye cause the whole striker here one course na America no you nim striker bia yan cause yes striker kwede
anti no sin about Facebook for no and so no betumi join now training section the Black Stars of Ghana and so no gusu why no ewa Abu Dhabi nti no join live on Facebook training section no senior 1 minute na
nti no ege say na America no enya de e be ka si bia nti no boys no ne be chew say coach ni man good selectioner e betimi de akọ World Cup no ne Switzerland ege Switzerland nka me menya team esanka coach nti won de one start mayen ayen yen hwe won so performance for tin nka me ka say goalkeeper no be download no be chire sa abo no na Juku any amate ana Salisu abo 3 achi 3 no because we here in Brazil na second half obo achi 3 we say be boy ayen nti no na FIFA ye talent ana amate ko fichire ana Gideon Mensah na o de Juku agina won anim na wabo Naki Williams na o de Jordan aka ho nti Kudus yeah na o de Naki Williams na Kudus na o de Jordan aka ho nti me say ye no Switzerland ye first level na e was o de one start ni ye
goalkeeper na
download
okay
dan la nina ya we say sa level in there what one side because we share eke for now the sa players am agbo de eke obi ani wa baka say obere mo wan atenachi sa bless you just say one na say what one side no when you we 1000 na be the way forward eke
all right enti I know senior on duty and also Nensam Kakra our Black Stars abro ma touch down our Abu Dhabi training section I hold you answer no omutumi 0205 818748 0205 818748 0205 818748 with my fraba I think so no watch him and so no area fat team no after stay no matter touch down Abu Dhabi 0205 818748 0205 81 8748 na no so no wafraba kwabia da wa monitor team no fiti no anyina ugu so monitor team no so far observe bibi kakra team no.
Well, okay, I think that BBI okay. BBI okay. So
okay, mame nko ana mame fobi ewa homa no so. Hello. 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 Bacho din we be afrefi.
Fire ni.
Udin. Fire. Oh, okay, my intio.
The Nyamiasi. Ndra sentiments squad aba. Kana for my fan by bonta boys match. Na ochina match boy nje free mra boys no side. No. Mama yento yembu asma coach no so anu no ni na wafre won. Na yenko na yemfa yenko yi dimedini shi nyame enu nyam. Why you say you can fair yembu group no.
Okay, I know your fire. And also, it's me 0205 818748 0205 818748. Kobia.
Well, I think okay. BBI okay. You nya players no, and the woman you need to me akwa report. We pray for say yebenya injury free ahead of any Thursday friendly sir. Mumbo to me abon. You better say penny for be to me. Put up a solid team, very very solid team. If you say ahead of the kickoff, no one year the one best started games, at least 80-90%. You say you more against Switzerland. Switzerland, an European team, opposition are very solid with fantastic players. Almost able to me Magana competition. We no more in this minus and as a smaller countries in our more bar will be to me override them. This is Switzerland, a team very difficult to beat. And during the Euros, no any qualification, how our more fast so to me share Portugal, to me share Spain, to me share Czech Republic in Adena. Which teams are one more boy, one more dinkunima. A very even difficult. Say one more draw a game with a national team. These national teams, and Europe, one more equally good. As I said, be Ubebo Germany, the Ubebo Spain. These teams are national teams are one more Switzerland, one more suffer ye, and so say one to me and one more players are one more to me in that competition. Young go in na young cautious said at least unya first line up no unya players na obetum de one ball be at 30 minutes 40 minutes 50 minutes be na way you one free mu na efe no wa hihye ni o maye kakra ma wo a efe na wo nso yetumi aba no wo nso yenya a minute before wo ntumi share the national shirt no and feel the environment no how it feels when giving the national shirt a wugine mu everybody am man konkro Ghana no before answer na ye be a competitive game. So I think say avenue for the newcomers any one more at least one more rest assured to say one be to me start Ghana in a competitive matches avenue for them one more be to me they justify the means ahead of the game you be to me as a so a friendly game be boa Ghana be sanso aboa Swiss for no and I think say idea be boa yen you know yen hwe nim dia coaches no be to me aye now yenya coach referees and say goalkeepers are one kwa eke GDB and share nim goalkeepers are one more ko ni nyina 3 goalkeepers ni nyina enya ade obi to me approve anything better in the national shirt obeka about Nuruddin obi use about yene Japan ne sa games no okoboy against Chile. This Chile World Cup win to me and qualify team no crampons no enye players be world be gina musa adani friendly game. I don't think say ube to me use most of the time say they are justify who a better goalkeeper or a good player is in sometimes. So I think say goalkeepers need the GDB and the only hope and even with Walcott and Wababeje the number 1 spot not the majority of Ghanaians any year for a good year say even Richard Ofori would have been a better player a goalkeeper imposed than Jojo Walcott. Until now I lose the first and the second spot to Nina Woma Kanina no Jimmy goalkeepers na no ye do mo konti ye hwe nim hawa very inexperienced Abrante aye friend no Danlad. So I think so no crowd here that third position one no betumi ada a nod between Nuruddin and Abrante friend no Atizigi. Yenhwe they've been given the opportunities one more to me improve one who especially Atizigi. He is not the Ghanaian favorite. Ghana for Dudwana ya dia one more party Atizigi as but with skirmishes kakra Abrante friend Nuruddin to me ye e carrying cap national. I say one sort of belief because when you're a goalkeeper or to me ready penalties that alone and so to me so I think so far but ye ma coaches no said I ne one more shimo one more 26 man squad aba na one more say one money players one move to me adapted to net tactics one money players ne system of play one move to me aboa and until certain players were abandoned and a certain players were given the opportunity ahead of the other until ye emphasize respect no and some fama womo squad omudi kwe womo fanko how they will set the team up it is down to them and all Ghana we want is getting the positive results at the end of every single match yebe to me aboho and I think say apart from that anything other than winning or getting the positive results ebe to me progress team no e dia koneni mu no I think say that is where Ghanaians yebesha siasang are resurrecting yen displeasure against the technical team and whoever yenim so ye in charge and or part of this mess ebe to me in case sign your money to make happen you be to me so show you in displeasure they actually but for now let's give them the benefit of the doubt and they said their FA president and Kasaka and he said DC NJC Udogana this is where I will be to me show obi bia and so ye Ghana ni wo mu nyina so nye players intina ne yen enhu obi a or steady a Greek yen enhu obi a enu yoko running 200 meters e de Ghana say wo mo including no in the football national team intino won aba ni nyina so footballers equally when given the opportunity other players are woman the opportunity to play certain teams with feel say above the other no when given the opportunity maybe they might have done better even than one more yenim say one more that top no so ma wants our benefit of the doubt now it is down to us to also provide our quota that is supporting the team having good feel about the team now in spirit kakran so into me and push them. From there, nefe ya share their own debate to media on board. When it comes positive, hallelujah. When it goes the other way around, then we also show our displeasure to them. Then we move on as a nation.
All right, I know Krabia Sante, and so I don't know. I remember China Baby Room na midweek action Ghana Premier League China matches or Samson Ayawada, the Black Stars of Ghana against Switzerland. And about 10 a.m. and I start game no. And so abeba so by we are matching Ghana Premier League midweek actions no na fin so no ya hwen sama wodo and also no ebuboba na second confirm wa onya breti ya hwe and so no Facebook kwadwo ba for the about say Firebrand Pasolo Paradise tell them the truth and also no dia otimi area ba Krabia Sante Otenenka senior on duty Sansona Pasolo Otenenka executive producer Ayera Kofi Anton ba for Sansona Kofi Okorajaman and so no producer extraordinaire Sansona no DJ Zigibi and DJ Donzi and so no ebo me chidoma edi jumedie no and so no ebrel ya mebo echina eba na abeto so dina Kelvin amponsa edi muchum haya you know what it is haya Qatar 2022, Yanko Qatar, live on Akuma 97.1.
Every 20th November, the 18th December, 32 countries, yeah, the 64 games nina live commentary at the April on Akuma Radio 97.1.
Achadiani Diebe Breakeke predict a win Ebekosu during the live commentary on Akuma 97.1.
Shannon so say Akuma Yanko Qatar Jumediano Yerebe Brel El Wabuano.
Sao Pasa Samro Boy Chidoma, Ubetimia friend number said this way 0549 012454 and 0246 435565. Restaurant, bars, and Crankra, somebody Mupasa Muboy Chidom, Akunya or Homamu, some mobile fair, Nianuma Dinsa Oswo. Yanko Kata 2022, Ewa Okuman 97.1 radio.
Okuman Yanko Kata World Cup 2022 and Asia.
games ni na live commentary at the air bro on Okuman Radio 97.1.
Akyɛdeɛ ne deɛ bebree kɛkɛ predict and win ɛbɛkɔ so during the live commentary on Okuman 97.1.
Sɛne nso sɛ Okuman yɛnkɔ kata dwumadie no yɛde bɛbrɛw ɛwɔ waboboa no.
Sɛ wopɛ sɛ Samre wobɔ yɛ kyidɔm a wobɛtumi afrɛ numbers ɛdidi so yi 0549 012454 and 0246 435565. Restaurant, bars, ɛyɛ ankrankra Samre mopɛ sɛ mobɔ yɛ kyidɔm akonya wɔ hɔ ma mo sɛ mobɛfrɛ ne yɛn mu adi nsawosoɔ.